Good day my Stitchy family and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you a beautiful unboxing from Paintsomeway. Now that is www.paintsomeway.com. Now all of us are familiar with Paintsomeway, and if you are not, please go and have a look. They've got a wide variety of products. They are a massive store as well, and they've got something for everyone. They sell our favorite cross stitch, of course, which is amazing. They sell all the newest beaded cross stitches. They have their branded cross stitches in sections. They do paint by numbers. They do diamond paintings, and they also sell all the tools and accessories you can dream of. They also do custom cross stitches. They also have a section where they do gifts and all kinds of things. You must go and explore. They are amazing. Their customer service is fantastic. Their shipping is quick, and their products is very beautiful. Now they also have a section that is called cross stitch new style. Now Paintsomeway, you will see these images. It's their own ones. They get them first. Now if you choose there and you wait a bit longer, it's because they haven't been in production, so a bit of patience and you will get it. Now if you buy at Paintsomeway, please mention Stitcha-Rella if you are buying because you saw it on my videos. They run big sales on their website itself. I do not have a code for them, but you will see they've got big specials. Now at the moment there is a special running as well. What they do, I just want to have it correct here. I think it's buy 3 get 1 free, but we're going to check that out just now. So it is, yes, buy 3 get 1 free. So every time you add 4 to your cart, 1 is for free. You must just go look in your cart. And on top of that, you use this discount code, GIFT06 for extra 6% off. And if you buy over $49, you get free shipping. That is amazing. Very cool. Alright, so we've all said and done. Let's look what I've got here. Let's start with the Christmassy Christmas. Yes, of course there will be Christmassy Christmas. Ooh, what's that doing there? Christmassy Christmas, right? A Christmas tree. You guys know my love for Christmas, and that's why I grabbed this one first, because I just love Christmas. Okay, so we got our test tube with 5 needles. I know it's not a test tube, but I call it that. A thimble and a needle threader. The 5 needles are in your little tube. There they are. Very pretty. Now the pattern is on my favorite shiny foam. For what? For durability. It's very strong. But please remember, it's strong but not water resistant. You can splash just a little bit on here and then you've got nothing left. It will be washed away. So be very careful. Careful like you with your Ada. Same thing here. Now this is beautiful. Oh, the presents. Now this is South Africa's Christmas colors. Gold, green and red. Because we do a summer Christmas. I've never been in a snow Christmas. We don't know winter and Christmas. It's our hottest season. So we're also going into summer holidays now. Kids are almost done with exams. So it's 11 count, 45 by 55 centimeters. There's an instruction leaflet printed on your pattern. It's looking good. There's 40 colors, 168 stitches by 211. Looking good. Looking very good. Now I just want to fold this thing and put it in my non-noisy bag. Let me just see how they did it. I just want the picture to show. Don't bend the picture. Shows the picture and rather bend the paper different. Huh. The idea, right? I think so. Okay, so let's just do that. Then I can see my picture. Can't wait to open the Ada. Look at that. Look at that pretty thing. Wow. Right, we've got our bright white Ada. And what am I going to say next? Of course I'm going to say that it is serged all the way around for Our convenience 11 count 45 by 55 centimeters, 168 stitches by 211 and 40 colors. Now this one's got a lot of confetti, spaghetti and potholes and graffiti. But I heard something today. I must tell you guys, it is so funny. My one friend, her name was Sifa, she said to me she likes block stitching because the ninja stitches drives her crazy. That was the cutest thing I've heard in ages, the ninja stitches. Well, Sifa, the ninja stitches gives your project some beautiful, beautiful details. So you better like those ninja stitches. She's talking about confetti. Alright, so let's have a look. The print is amazing. You can see everything, but you can see what I printed it, you know why. Everything's perfect. You can see everything. But what is it with all the red symbols? Luckily it's a 11 count. You will see these on the 14 count too, and this is available on 14 count. But as soon as you can't print a 16 count or 18 count, you cannot see the red symbols. Luckily here you can see what's what, and that's very lucky. But this is beautiful. It's going to come out very, very nice. I am super happy with it. Very, very nice indeed. Alright, oh, what am I doing? I am melting, that's for sure. It's very, very hot here. It rained earlier on. Oh man. Let's look at the pretties. Oh, my stitchy soul. Look at this. So we've got our floss drops, and there's 40 colors. And they are nice. It's nice and warm. Everything, oh, nice. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful stitch. Oh, there you go. Let's see. Very, very nice. It's gonna come out very pretty. I am impressed. It's very, very nice. I actually thought I'm getting this in a 14 count. I'm so happy I got it in a 11 count. You know, sometimes when you stitch very, very nice products, sometimes when you stitch, you're just in the mood to take a little break. I stitch a lot of 14 and 16 count. And sometimes when you just don't want to like squint your eyes or anything, you just grab a 11 count. So I'm very happy with this. Beautiful, beautiful product. Now I just want to tell you guys as well, I will put all the links to these products in the description box. Alright, so you are looking at her. Now I've seen that and I was like, wow, wow, wow. It's some kind of, she's not in front of me, you're looking at her. I'm going to look at her now. Steampunk Fairy, I think. Yeah, a butterfly Steampunk Fairy. That's quite a mouthful, right? So let's have a look what she's got to offer. Alright, so let's have a look. 5 needles, needle thread, a thimble in a test tube. There you go. In that bottle. Okay. Oh, that bucket is full. Okay, so it is printed on my favorite shiny foam for durability. Please don't get it wet in front. You guys know the drill. It's not water resistant. Oh wow, she looks busy, but we can only really tell when we open the Ada. She is a beaut. She's 190 stitches by 190 stitches. She's got 40 colors. She is magnificent. She's just beautiful. There's butterflies, her steampunk accessories, and her pink daisies or gerberas. We call these flowers Barberton daisies. Alright, and then there's instructions printed on the pattern. Perfect. Let's look at this Ada. I want to see how busy she really is. Well, she looks busy, but that's good. Then we're going to have a proper picture. And this one I don't have to fold, right? Why? Because it is right. And let's have a look at this Ada. Okay, she's busy. Does a 40 colors. It's serge all the way around for our convenience. Nice pure white Ada. 11 count 50 by 50 centimeters. And she ain't playing. She's full of ninja stitches. Confetti, spaghetti, graffiti. And we're going to add macaroni. I don't know, she's busy. It's going to be a busy, busy, busy body stitch this. I am busy with a 14 count. That's much worse. I'll show you guys. But it's fun to stitch them when you get like, oh, enough now, then you skip and you do a bit of block stitching. But you know, the confetti on this, you can still jump. You can do cross country, so it's not too far. Like every furthest 2 blocks, 3 blocks, you're good. Yeah, no, it's not a difficult stitch. It's just very busy. It's going to look very pretty. I'll show you one more time. There you go. Very beautiful. All right, so let's have a look at the pretties. So it never gets old. You must first touch them and shake them. And like I said, there's 40 colors. There must be a lot of pink and blue, but where's the blue? Oh, it's hidden. It's hiding from me. Look at that. This is gonna be, I've never had a color palette like this. I can't say never, I probably forgot, but this is a quite different color palette. I think it's gonna look fantastic. Look at this. Very pretty, right? Okay, perfect. I love it. Now, while I pack away, I just want to thank Paintsomeway. This is amazing products. Thank you, guys. This is really, this is amazing. Thank you very much. Then, if it's the first time you are watching my videos, please hit the subscribe button if you want to. It's for free, and by doing that, you help me out a lot and motivate me to make more and more videos for you. And while you're at that, please hit the like button and leave me a comment in the comment box. I will personally come back to you, I promise. Now, ta-da-da-da, you've seen her already. Guys, know I love this ladies by the ocean type of things, and they are just the best. They are so pretty. Now look at what I found. I found one with sunflowers. Now let's have a look here. Alright, so let's start off. 5 needles, needle thread and a thimble in our little tube. There you go. Our test tube. There you go. And here we go. It's printed on my favorite shiny film for durability. Don't get it wet in the front, because it will all disappear. So it's a lady and it looks like sunflowers, but it's just fabulous. No, it's not sunflowers, but it's some kind of flower, and I love it. So it's 11 count, 50 by 50 centimeters, 40 colors, 190 stitches by 190 stitches, and she looks fantastic. Not a difficult stitch. There is an instruction leaflet printed on here, and she is busy on a dress, but that's obvious, because otherwise how are you going to get all that definition in there? So there is kind of a bit. We'll see now when we open. But perfect. I love her. I did say 40 colors, right? So we don't miss out on that. Now there's the picture. I don't have to refold. Excuse, but I'm not even going to mess with that at the moment. And here we are. Beautiful white canvas. Lots of block stitching and a lot of confetti. So the background, all of it is block stitching. It's 11 count, 50 by 50. It's serged all the way around for our convenience, and 40 colors. Also 190 stitches by 190 stitches. Yeah, she is busy, my friends. Very busy. But half is busy and half is block stitching. Less than half is busy. Now, what I mean with busy, do you want to see? I think I should show you. But then again, it is busy, but only on a, she's busy. Not even her head and arms, it's just a dress, but it should be. Otherwise it won't be a nice stitch. Excellent. Very, very pretty. Now let's look at her floors. Okay, let's have a look here. Must be yellows and blues and they're there. They are there. I see them. So they're on floss drops. Let me shake it. Oh, I love new floss. It's just pretty. There's a bit of yellow. Oh, so it's just pieces. And there's the light yellow and beige. Okay, this is nice. Very, very nice. There you go. There is yellows and light yellows. Some of this one I'm showing you, the lights are making it much lighter, but it is pretty. And she's gonna look amazing. Excellent. I absolutely adore it. Okay, so while I pack away, I just want to thank Paintsomeway once again. Thank you so, so much. I love it. These products are beautiful. Then to you, my viewer, thank you for always watching and supporting me. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. You guys must remember to go and have a look. Buy 3, get 1 free. Add 4 to your cart. There's no limits to it. And you get an extra 6% discount. What a bargain. Alrighty then. Hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.